Okay, problem number 21A. For this problem, we're going to use the side splitter theorem, which states that if a line is parallel to a side of triangles and intersects the other two sides, then this line divides those two sides proportionally. So to apply that to this problem, we're going to set up a proportion, and so we're going to start with 4 over x equals 6 over 5. Good. Okay. You could do 4 over 6 or x over 5 as long as you stay consistent with your proportion. And we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to cross multiply 4 times 5, which is 20, equals 6 times x, 6x. Divide both sides by 6 to get the x by itself. So we're going to do that. And divide both sides by 6. So that brings us to 10 over 3, since 6 doesn't go into 20 evenly, equals x. So that's the answer to that one. Moving on to problem number 21b, we're just going to be doing the same thing as we did in A, just it's different because it's a triangle. So we're going to be setting up proportions once again, and so we're going to start off by setting 9 over 6 to x over 8. Again, you could do 9 over x or 6 over 8 as long as you stay consistent with which numbers you're using. So we're going to set those equal to each other, and we're just going to cross multiply again. To make this problem easier, we're just going to simplify this fraction. So this problem goes into 3 times, and this problem goes into 3 2 times. That's the simplified version of that. We're just going to cross multiply. 8 times 3 is 24. And that is equal to 2x. And then we're just going to get x on one side, and we're going to divide both sides by 2. The answer to that is x equals 12. The missing side to our triangle is 12. Okay, last but not least, problem number 21c. So we are once again going to be setting up proportions. So we're going to start off by putting 8 over 6 and 10 over x. Once again, you could do 8 over 10 and 6 over x, but it doesn't matter as long as you stay consistent. We're going to set those two equal to each other, and we're going to cross multiply. To make this problem simpler, we're going to simplify this fraction. So 2 goes into both of these numbers. 2 goes into 8 4 times, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So the new fraction is 4 over 3. So we're going to cross multiply this fraction with this one now. This would be 4x equals 30. Then to get x by itself, we're going to divide 4 by on both sides. And this would be x equals 15 over 2. So the missing side would be 15 over 2.